Okay. Sometimes I'm sitting here talking and I don't even know. But I think we're good today. Pretty sure things seem to be working. And I'm gonna give people a few minutes to get in here and we'll get started. These are always fun. Fun on a Friday. Share my screen today before I forget. All right. Hard to forget now. It's hard to forget now. Let's see. My local host version of this is never happy. I created this yesterday. Let's say it's 25 KDA. Look at that. Boom. I feel like it's supposed to do something. What happened? As I find out the server's not even on. I did this yesterday too. I just get I get a little excited and then it probably went through. I don't think we have the transaction flow on here. So I bet this is all good. Yep. To sale price. Yep. Probably will fail. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. I think it's part of it's my internet today's a little funky. So I'll work through that. But let's see what happens. Yeah. This browser definitely gets funky on me. We have a lot of logging turned on right now too, locally to just play around with stuff. Yeah, these timeouts, this is what makes it hard to view all this stuff. But I want to see something. NFTs. Okay. Yeah, it's hard. Stupid IPFS conversion stuff. Yeah, all timing out. That's okay. That's okay. Like I said yesterday, some of these things work really good online. And hey, Hawk, some of this stuff isn't really meant to work in this environment. I have it capped off. You can't talk to certain services. So you kind of have to know how to navigate around. But I think if I go to, I don't really want to show where our test site is, so I keep it local. But on our test site, if I do this, yeah, everything loads here. So, all right, let me see if I can find one of these. Offer, okay. So we can also let's see if this works. So this would be rain. Let's see what the name of this NFT was. That's fine. All right, so this one is TJ. Let's see if I can't search that way. How else would I want to do this? I just think this local, it's just not going to work. And I don't want to show the site because I know people will go there. And I'm just working on testing a few things with listing today, so I'm just going to work on that and answer any questions. I'll probably jump between this and PACT for the next hour or so, and kind of just go from there. Kitty rocket again. Enter. I think these are all just like default language. I was starting to change this earlier. Choose a reserve price. Let me see if that one. Okay, so this other one is listed for sale for 25 KDA. Okay, cool. All right, so floor price. I need to pull that from the collection data. Not a problem. Yeah, I did something with that. KDA rocket. So it's pulling in my last items that I did successfully. It's just not loading the data. Any favorites? Okay, cool. So I think everything I need is working now, so I can get into it. So what I need is auction sale price. Let me navigate around here. Ah, yes. Thank you. I've got to make that stop popping up too. Okay. So this is all good. So for sale, listing duration, limited minimum reserve price, minimum reserve. Minimum min reserve price. Okay. So this would be for an auction. And so we need the start date and end date to be from our data. Okay. So like this would be, I think I've got something. This would be like a, need the data from my cards, but the data from my cards isn't coming through because I'm blocking it. Security. Oh, and I don't have my test. I don't think I'm pulling from my test environment. Let me update a couple things and maybe I can make it load. I think I got a trigger in here somewhere to switch me to local host. Yeah, it just really doesn't like this. All right. Okay. That's fine. We can do without this for now. We'll just work on this. I like to figure out what I'm gonna do. I guess I should have figured that out earlier. That's okay. I'm learning Vue at the same time, so bear with me. All right. Oh, I want my keys, my guard. So what I need to do is async. Int v2. So this is our mint. So then I want to find, I guess mint entity is fine. Mint entity old, mint entity. So I'm basically going to take this test mint. Let me see if that's all. Get entity. Yeah. Mint v2. Where's the closing bracket for this? Right here. Oh, it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm going to I think I need to be above this. PACT code goes here. It does. Okay, so we're going to do this and say, let's call this purchase. Purchase. We don't need this. So we built this yesterday. Pay process, where are you? Okay, so we need to create a payment. Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need this. So this is purchase. Purchase. Credit. Payload. Cool. Purchase. Purchase. What we're gonna do. What do we call it? Cadenai credits. So payload. So chain ID, const chain ID will actually come from payload.chain ID. And then we need to auto select the chain with the highest balance and or let the user select a different chain. Thanks. All right, so that's that. That way we can basically take funds from any chain to this contract, because this contract will run on all 20 chains. And our back end, when an event is emitted, picks that event up and then writes that to our database. So it's pretty simple. All right, let's see what else we need here. Our credit payment. So and then this is the quantity. It's a decimal. Okay, so const quantity equals payload.quantity. Cool. All right. What's up? Interesting. Okay. So key set. I'm gonna have to do this dynamically. Yeah, TTL is fine. Sending key is fine. Okay. So I don't think we actually want any caps for this. Technically, we don't need them, which is nice. I may add some, but the way I did my enforce stuff, as long as you sign with your key in the signer list, you don't need to add caps, which is nice. Actually, I lied. We need a transfer cap. Duh. Easy peasy. All right, let's just do a transfer cap. So transfer. I don't know what I was thinking. Transfer funds. Coin transfer. So from count name 2. Hey, Tori. Interesting. How do I want to do this? Am I doing it right now? So I transfer. I want to purchase 5. Let's see how we're doing this. All right. Okay. Credit value should work. All right, so we want credit underscore value. Again, I'm gonna make a table with these values, but for now, we're just testing. Don't care. So we're going to yeah, I think this makes sense. We're just gonna do this. Integer. So we don't need to make this hard on ourselves. We're gonna purchase this many. All right. So then actual so this is our price. Get payment amount. Okay, so payment amount is so this is gonna be credit dash cost. Get payment amount. So this will be credit value. Okay. So then this pulls our current KDA to USD price. This is the cost of a credit. So now we need some fancy math. So actual payment tabulate price conversion. I don't know. So this is going to be how do I want to do this? Let's do this. So this is going to be floor. The cost is credit dash cost to KDA USD price. And then what is this? Precision 2. So then this total cost is times there we go, actual payment. Oops. So PACT. I am not spelling anything right today. I need a new keyboard, I think. This one is just not very good. That's fine. 45. Mm. Oh, okay. The quantity should always be an integer. Why would this 75 credits? Can I do this? Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Okay. Did not satisfy. So what's the price of 0.75? So let's just call it, I don't know. So 5 for 5, so it's correct now. When I put it at $1 each. So 0.5 would be 990. 990. Perfect. That's perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. So what are they at right now? Because I know they're right. So 992, 92, got 9, 7, got 1. Yeah. Well, it. I just don't want errors like type errors. So just got to be aware of that. So I'm going to make a new function, get defun get dash price quote. And then we're going to do quantity, integer, and the, yeah, quantity, right? Quantity integer. Okay. So this is actually just a simple function. So this is going to really format at doc. Okay, so returns the price quote for the given, for the given quantity. So we're going to take an input, which is can we just do a function like this? So like quantity deck quantity times, let's just steal all this code right here. Let's see what we want. All right, so we want this. So we're gonna need a let All right, so first thing we're going to do is grab the credit cost in this, both important. Okay, so we need to bind the price of 1. If you guys have any questions, feel free. I got it popped up. I can't see everything, but I got it popped up here, so you can answer questions. All right. So I have the price of 1. I have the cost of a credit, which is 1 KDA. And so now I wonder if I can just reuse all this. Floor, credit cost. Is that a KDSA price? Actual payment. Yeah, why not? Actual payment. Why not just reuse it? So then yeah, probably should avoid that. Cool. Look at that. So this would be a free dot cadeni dash credits dot get price quote for 10. Boom. And what are we doing now? We're doing 5. So 7.1. 7.1. Look at that. It's like we know what we're doing. Probably an easier way to do this, but that's okay. So now we know get price quote. That's cool. So we need to grab, we need to pre-populate the expected cost from our contract with a local call. Yay! Just kidding. All right, so this is our 3.ni dash. Yep, really? On B. All right, so that's all we need. Oops. So now let me go find one of his local calls. Local, maybe. Son of a gun. Oh, where do we have a local call? I have like a helper function that does this. I'm working in Vue, so it's not really my jam, but I take the user assign, make a call. Yeah, that's fine. Let me just ask. I've seen him do it before in here, and I don't. Free. Ask and ye shall receive. What are you guys up to today? It's Friday. I never stream on Fridays, but I drink C4. Can't get enough of it. I probably should. What did I start some new code somewhere? Didn't we start some new code the other day? Bugging me. All right. GitHub, and then maybe it's under Docker API. Ah, yes. Here's where we're testing Canada JS. Oh, perfect. I thought it was on my Linux host. It's on here? Oh, shoot. Let's let's just push this contract to testnet. Want to? I think so. Who wants to push a contract to testnet for fun? I think it all works. I don't care about the security on there. I'll keep working through that. Ooh, this ain't gonna work. Um, let's do this. Let's fix this real quick. So we use our bank instead. Okay, so bank. Bank is get bank. Is that what I called it? Get bank. Okay, so wherever Alice is in here, payment account, bank. Oops. All right. Okay, that's done. We don't need that anymore. Let's make sure we updated payee everywhere. Okay. Credit value. Okay, so I guess I didn't need that. Um, KU Bank. I have that here. Okay, and then we have to do a couple things to initiate this. Add bank account. So this is free credits. Okay, let's see if it works. Oops. Hey! And just like that, so now it should be coin.details. Kai Bank. Booyah. Oh, no credits. Oh, mm, that's not how that should work. That's not how that should work at all. Did I not hit save on this? Yeah, I didn't hit save, that's why. Thought that was too easy. Perfect. All right, so that's mucho better. So, okay, bank. That's okay. Oh, because now it's using my bank, which has nothing in it. Perfect. Okay. For my local call. Get credits quote. I'm all right. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So, oh, I think this is good. Do I have any like glaring issues here? Mm, let me just when I init this contract, I think I create that bank account. I think I want to do that here too, so I don't forget. Do I have an init? I do. Oh, I don't need to init that. No, we're good. We're good. I can. Chances. All right. All right. All right. Let us do this. What time is there now? 3. Ooh, wow, time flies. Okay, don't forget to do insert update. Oh gosh, I never did this function. Uh, okay, let's just let's just do this. I have an example of it somewhere. So it's an if, easy enough. I just wanted to see because I did something interesting before, and I want to see uh, where did I put that code? Yeah. Oh boy. Not for the faint of heart. This one is very, very. I remember doing this function. It was literal hell on earth. Hell on earth. Oh gosh. That's so much more than I want to do. But so let's try this. Let's just try this evaluation. All right. So uh, if I have a lot up here already. Credits. There's a way to do this, and there's a way not to do this. Insert. Well, how did I want to do this? Okay, so we can do existing payment ID. So credits account. This is where it gets tricky. So account is to, so this would be account. Oops, bind it to account. Okay, this is gonna suck. Okay, so all right, so this is gonna wrap. So then the decision is easy. This is easy logic now. So if uh, equals account is blank, how far down do I need to wrap? I think I want this before this. Okay. So if the account is non-existent, if it doesn't exist in our table today, we are going to, you got it, we're going to insert it. Otherwise, we are going to update credits at account. Credits is plus deck quantity plus credit dash quantity. I mean, why not? Let's just see if it works. I mean, shoot. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, 79. I would have thought this would have been. I have an example too. I mean, just looks. Nothing special here. Uh, yeah. See if that makes it happy. Bad column in bindings. No, credits is. Okay. Bad column. I wonder if I need to do this. Because it doesn't exist. Okay, I can live with that. A new error. So I think we need to, I'm pretty sure we have to do the math in here. So let new credit. Okay, so this is going to be, so this is going to be new dash credits. Update credits at account. Maybe it just isn't like that. Nope. Okay. For reals though, what is it not like? Received 5 credit quantity. It should be evaluating the first. Ah, maybe this is why. Yup. 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 All right. So let's see. Bob's got get payment info, get credits. Create a get NI dash credits. Get dash credits. Bob has 5. All right, let's throw this in here. Let's just start here. All right, let's make sure that runs. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm just gonna do this the dirty way. Let's do, okay. So this is second, Bob's second TX. right, so we're gonna do second transaction. I don't need any of this. We don't need none of this. Okay, Bob's second transaction. We are going to transfer to Cloud Bank again. And this time we're going to buy 7 credits. These amounts will be wrong, but I could pre-calculate them. I just don't care. Perfect. Yeah, so I need like ENV date time. What is it? ENV time. What is it in here? I have it in one of my other functions, my other repos. Just gonna pull it because I don't remember off the top of my head what ENV date, ENV dash date, and ENV dash chain data. There we go. Boom. All right. So get credits. He has 12 credits now, so it worked. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I should do an expect equals for this too. But that's okay. So this should be like, what is this? Let's calculate it. So it is 0.7 times 1. No, 0.7 divided by 1. I guess, yes. Times yeah. Interesting. How did that pass? It just passed. Wow. Like a 7 times, was it 70%? 50 cent would be 3.5. So 70 would be around 3. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna leave that alone for now. I'm gonna go calculate that probably, but it makes sense. Just all right. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure you can't update this without the gov cap. Nope. Get payments is fine. Refund. There's nothing you can do with refund. Get payment info. Get price quote. Force enforce. Cool. So now let's all right. So this is keys. Let's connect our wallet. I think this is the admin key for this one anyways. Pred, which I probably don't need. Section. Oh, okay. What is it? List? It's not list key set, right? Can you just define? Oh, what is it? I forget. I honestly don't even remember. Define dash key set. I always draw a blank on this. It's not read key set. It's not define key set. Describe. Is that it? Describe key set. Boom. All right, that's our bank. Okay. Crisis averted. Well, that's a problem. It's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. We don't need this. We don't need to define X. It's already defined. I'll handle this. Let's just KU Bank exists already. We don't need to do that. And actually, we don't actually need this key set either because it's already on chain. So what else? Look at that. Cadena credits stack. Yeah, whatever. There we go. We just deployed a contract. Easy enough. Little things like that just trip you up. But I've done it enough. All right, so now what I want to do is I think I need to update the bank. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Let's see what command we need. It's going to be, oh my gosh. It is create dash or update dash bank. Okay, so we need free.k9 dash credits dot update dash bank. It's bank, and then describe key set free.k9 dash bank. Okay. And let's not forget. Cool. All right. So now in a couple minutes, this will be ready. So pay process. PACT contracts. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Client dirty read. Yeah. So let's make one read credits.js. All right, this should be real easy. So this will be our sender. Testnet, chain one. Execution is free.kadena dash credits dot, what was it? What was our function? Get price quote. Get price quote. Free Kadena dash credits. Get price quote. And chain one, that's my sender. Testnet 04, dirty read. I mean, what are we gonna do? But just try. CD samples. Oh no. Really? Okay. Yeah. I was running this all on. What else do I need to run this locally here? I'll fix that in a minute. I'm just gonna do this node read. Really? Type module. Boom. Oh, yes, of course, of course, of course. That's actually good. Good, 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 good. So we're gonna test it for 10. Good to know. No! Dang it. Boom. So this should be result.data. So result.result.data. Yeah, I guess. It's gonna always have some kind of result. 18.7. Cool. Cool. That's right. I think my Oracle on there's like 60 cents or something like that. Ah, cool. Well, our contract's deployed. We just read uh, from it. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm good with that. I think it's a good stopping point for now. I'm going to work that into Vue. But really, I mean, if you're looking to like anybody who thinks this is hard, it's just time. You even see like little things I screw up. I have code, like command line code that does not screw up. That's well formatted, but for like a really quick dirty test like this, I don't really care. Plus, it's nice to show people the flow of it more than just doing it. Oh, look, I probably, I hope I didn't just save that. Oh, heavens. I don't need any of this. There's no way it didn't just fail. Get list. I don't know. Return result. Just gotta go inside here now. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. There it goes. Uh, got it done. I got the smart contract deployed. Finish building this local call, but I'm going to do it with JS. I finished building this local call. Then I need a simple form field to take in the quantity value that computes the real-time price from our contract with an Oracle. Fucking. All right. I don't know if I don't want to do anything else. So I'm going to take a break. I think this is good. What else do we have in here? Client dot. What are my options? Dirty read. Okay. Local call. So we wait local, test it, or we. Yeah, dirty read doesn't sign, but local does. Maybe pre-flight. Yeah, at least for local when both pre-flight and signature verification are true. Okay, so that makes sense. So local should not involve a signing. This would be no dirty read. Okay, so these are cool. What else do we have in here? Get status probably okay. Calls the full endpoint only once. So you'd have to set up like a constant check. That's cool. So is there a poll? Okay, so this does it multiple times. So that's going to just keep polling, whereas the other one does not. Yeah. So if you're using anything on Cadena and you're learning how to build a front end or back end or whatever, and you're not looking at this, you're out of your damn mind. I think that's probably the fairest statement I can make. Let me dirty read unsigned transaction. Boom. Cool. Well, thanks everybody for joining. These are fun for me. I always like when people come in and chat too. That's more fun. And some of you on Discord with me, some on Telegram. So I'm trying to like balance. And sorry if I missed anything, but I'm going to jump off and I got a few more things to do, but some of that involves potential exposure to private private data, and so I want to avoid that. I think I made this key just for testing. I think could just be dummy, although I think it's got to validate it. So, anyways, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll be back on Monday. Probably stream every day next week. So I'm trying to. I may even stream tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know. See what tomorrow brings. Maybe I'll stream all 7 days a week. I would if I could. But until then, have a good weekend, everybody.